the elevators at the Hampton Inn, Kennebunk, Maine. Just go down to 2. Indicator. So you got a rear door on this one. Look at that. 2. We're gonna go down to 2 and try and get the other one that way. This is what happened last time. Is the other one? One. No rear door on this one. That was a good tree. And 3. This will be it. And on 3. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
I guess the floor looks like. And we're gonna go here. And got a key. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's loud. Okay, so this is room 320. Again, at the Hampton Inn in Kennebunk, Maine. And I thought we'd do a quick room tour as well, because the room has been cleaned, so it's in pretty good shape. So let's take a look. I'm gonna turn the light on so we can see a little, see. So you can see this a bit better. So this is interesting. It's kind of a hardwood, well, not hardwood, but hard material. I've never seen that before in a hotel room until I was here last year. But let's go in to the room. I'll show you the room itself first. Now, 1 second, I'm just gonna put the phone down. Okay, so you got, in this room, we have the room with 2 queen beds. So I'm just gonna move my laptop or iPad bag. But as you can see, it's a nice, comfortable bed. Move this chair out of the way. Got 2 of them, and then yep, 2 beds, nicely made up by the housekeeping here. Now over here we'll come to the nightstand. Some stuff on it, but what I want to show you is, well, there are 2 lamps, and this is actually cool. They are turned on and off through, trying to get to see it on camera, a switch there. And there are 2, 1 on each side. Now, on the nightstand here, kind of at the bottom of it, you have 2 plugs and I think 2 USB outlets. So you are well equipped for charging your stuff when you're here at the Hampton Inn in Kennebunk. I think that's about it over here. The clock, radio, phone, all that usual stuff. Of course, the rest of the room is carpeting. I forgot to point that out. Of course, what you probably want to see is our view. Ooh, look at that sun. It's beautiful out. It looks really nice out today. So this is the view from room 320, which is top floor. It's mainly trees. I mean, this is Maine, you know, you're not going to be expecting a room with a skyline view or something like that. Then over here, we have a desk, which again, the chair has some crap on it. Then you have this really nice chair. It's like a combination desk chair, but also like a sitting chair. It's very comfortable. Over here to the right of that is your TV and kind of dresser. And look at this. You get a microwave. So that's pretty cool. Also have a mini fridge. Always good to have a mini fridge nowadays. And that's pretty much it in the actual room. Let's go ahead and I'll show you the bathroom. Oops, sorry. Now this is neat. It's a sliding door here. And if you slide it that way, it reveals the closet and closes the bathroom. But when you do it that way, the bathroom's open. So let's come in here. I'll turn on the light in the bathroom. Let me close this. This is a pretty big bathroom, I must say. I'm standing at the very back of it now, and you can get a view of it. So you come in, the sink is on the left. Turn it to the left for hot and right for cold. And I like, as you might be able to see, the faucet's kind of angled a bit, which I like. I think it makes using it very easy. To about in front of that then is the toilet. And then there is a very nice walk-in shower. And let's see. we put our own soap in here, but there's the controls and the head up there, and it is very nice. And I actually prefer a walk-in shower now. I think it's easier. So that's the bathroom, and I think with that, that's a little tour of our room here. Shut the light off. I don't think we need this one anymore, so again, this is our room 320 at the Hampton Inn in Kennebunk, Maine. If you're ever, up here for any reason, coming to do like Seashore Trolley Museum or whatever, I can highly recommend this hotel. That was why we came. With you again, copy of the view, picture of the view there. But so as you saw, they have some pretty nice Otis elevators. This hotel opened, I believe, June 2017, so it's about 2 years old. So it's a very new hotel. Got a pool, it's got, all this nice free breakfast. It's all good here, so I was hoping I'd be able to do this room tour for you, and it worked out. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed the elevators, because I know I got a much better take this time than last time. I can't believe I didn't think of that trick before of pressing the up and down button on the second floor. I mean, that was such a good trick and it worked, so I am glad that worked. But I think with that, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this. Again, just look at I like the view. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.